Alright guys, so I just wanted to do a quick video. The problem is that the indicators which I created some time back, those indicators have been disabled, and the reason for that is that TradingView has made some changes to their policy. So the indicators, they cannot have the name of the website in the name of the indicator. That is why they have been disabled. So how to get those indicators back, because I have now created the indicators again without the name of the website. So this is what you need to do. Come to TradingView, change this to people, search for Surjit Kakar, and once it finds my profile, you need to click on scripts. This is where you will be able to see all the scripts. All you need to do is just add these scripts to your favorites. Once you have added all these scripts to your favorites, go back to your chart, and now when you click on the indicator button, you will see that all these scripts will be available under your favorite list. And example, if you want to use the explosive move indicator, you can add it to your chart. If you want to use the boring candle indicator, you can add it to your chart. The invite only scripts, which are either subscription based or by invitation, they will have a different tab. If you're already invited for it, you will see it listed here, and you will also be able to add it to your chart. So this is how you'll be adding these scripts back to your chart. The ones which you were already using have been disabled, but yes, I just wanted to do this quick video just to help you understand how you can get it back. Just add it to your favorites, and it will be available under the favorite tab once you click on the indicator tab on the TradingView charts.